Everyone. I'm going to share about Angular 17 if-else conditional statement, how to use if and how to use the else, and also how to use else if statement. They basically the Angular 17. The changes the conditional statement. Previously, it was the ng stars, but now they are very converted to very similar to the javascript. Those suppose here is the a and b is the variable, and if a greater than b, then met the criteria, then they will display the a greater than b text here. Suppose if we return the a greater than b, the if statement, also return the else if statement here, they will execute, and if also added here the else statement. So you can see here the conditional statement if, else if, and else if. These are the very similar to the javascript statement. Let's see the example in our code. Here is the list of the user and the role. We are displaying the user on behalf of the role. We have the user object. In this user object we have 4 user. They have the 2 user have the role 0 and 1, another, and the 2 user have the role 2. I added some conditional statement here. The role 1 and 0 are the admin user, and other one are the normal user. So the user will display with the admin text. The other one user will display the normal user. See in the browser they are displaying here. The user 1 and 2 are the admin user, and 3 and 4 are the normal user. If you have the else, it require the else statement, then you can write, otherwise you can remove. They will display only the admin user. See here will display the admin user only. If you want, then you can use else if else well. I hope you heard about the for loop, the new statement. These are the new condition, new statement as well. The Angular team introduced in the Angular 17 version. I hope you know about this. But they are basically, the user is the list of the user, and items, these are the predefined syntax we are using. Only difference is the track and track by. Previously they are using the track by, but now they converted to the track. And here is the index. These are the similar to the previous version. So I hope you got this point. The if and else if as well. I hope the complete conditional statement. Thanks for watching the video. In the last, I am requesting you to support me to subscribe my channel. Thank you.